Alright, so I'm going to use this hour drive time that I've got to talk with you guys about my plans for the chicken house. So when I originally purchased the property about 3-4 years ago, my first assessment of the chicken house was that it was a little too far gone to repair, and that I was just going to use it to store some building materials for when it was time to build a home out there. My plan was to have a metal building set up out there, about 2,000 square feet, so I'd have a place to work on my cars, the RV, and some space to do some repairs and projects. Went out and I got a quote for that metal building at the time, and it was about $35,000, and that included the concrete floor, which at the time seemed, a little high, but it seemed reasonable. So anyways, fast forward to today. I went out to get that same quote and for the same building, and it's $65,000. So prices have just gone completely crazy for everything building materials and related. So anyways, I went back out to the property and I took a good hard look at that chicken house, and it's just going to be better for my financial situation to just rehabilitate that building and make it structurally sound so that I can park an RV under there and live there temporarily. Well, temporarily, I hope. But so anyways, that's my plan. So if you stuck around this long and this interests you, stay tuned. We've got a lot of work going on, and hopefully turn this chicken house into a temporary residence. All right, so I picked up these medium duty shoring posts, and this is actually what's going to allow me to lift up the some of the structure here of the chicken house, so I can actually put in some additional posts. Every one of these posts are separated by 8 feet, so they're 8 feet on center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one additional post in 4 foot on center. So it's going to give the chicken house some extra strength, because a lot of these posts that are here, well, I shouldn't say a lot of them, but some of them are actually rotten at the bottom. So I'm going to add additional post in between the post right at 4 foot center. So if you guys can see up top there, that's where the additional post will go. So anyways, I've got went to Lowe's this morning and picked up a garbage can, because I got to go through all of these aluminum cans that the previous owner left me. I don't know if it's a good thing yet or a bad thing. So I want to start taking some to, well, I didn't realize I already had some of the totes here, so that helps. So I'm going to take some of these to the recycle center and see how much money you can get these days for some crushed aluminum cans. All right, let's go see what we can get for these cans. Well, guys, that was pretty disappointing. I was hoping it would be a little bit more than that, but I saw the $50 pop up on the screen, and then after he deleted the weight for the cart, it came out to $12 cash. So not going to get rich off of this, but I'm going to keep on plucking away at taking these aluminum cans because $12 is better than no dollars. So anyways, I got more videos coming out. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe if you will. Thank you.